In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the remaining Google Drive storage in your Google Workspace admin console. Managing storage efficiently is essential to ensure your organization can access the space it needs for important files, collaboration, and more. Whether you're a system administrator or just someone tasked with keeping an eye on your workspace resources, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in the URL for Google Workspace. This is the hub for all your Google services within your organization, and it's where you'll be able to access the admin console. Once you are in Google Workspace, the next step is to click on the admin console. You might see this option prominently displayed on your main dashboard, or you might have to click on a navigation button first. This action will lead you to the heart of where you can manage and configure all sorts of settings and preferences for your organization's Google services. Now it's time to log in. You will need to use your business email credentials for this part. Make sure you enter your email address correctly and click Next. Following this, you'll authenticate your login with your password. This ensures that only authorized personnel have access to the admin functionalities. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Google Apps menu. Clicking this will expand a list of apps that you can directly access. Among these, click on the admin icon. This is designed like a traditional gear or settings emblem and will lead you into the dedicated admin section. When you're in the admin console, you'll need to find the storage option. This is where all your Google Workspace storage data resides. Clicking on storage takes you to a dedicated panel that details how the storage is allocated and used across your organization. In this storage panel, you'll finally be able to see all the remaining storage your organization has on Google Drive. Not only will you see your current usage, but you'll also see the total storage limit available to your organization. This will help you gauge how much space is left and whether you need to consider freeing up space or perhaps even increasing your storage allowance. Remember, maintaining a good overview and understanding of your storage usage is invaluable for keeping your organization's data secure and your services running smoothly. And that concludes our guide for today. Thanks for watching and best of luck managing your Google Workspace storage.